Jonathan Sampson from Automate Training.
And I'm Rachel Sheldrick from the Workshop Whisperer.
And together, we're sponsoring the seminar series at the 2019 AAA Expo.
This year's series looks set to be the best yet. We've got some great new topics and a host of expert presenters.
We've put together 10 seminars designed to help your business tackle the changing aftermarket landscape. There'll be some great discussions about future automotive tech, both on the road and in the workshop.
We'll also have some great presenters talking about business management and about how to prepare your company for future success.
Seminars will be held on Thursday, Friday and Saturday. It'll be bigger and better than ever before.
Registration is free, so book your tickets online now at aftermarketexpo.com.au.
See you there.